How to fix Snapchat's C13A error. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So this C13A error occurs when you try to reactivate a Snapchat account but the reactivation fails. This usually happens because too much has passed since you deactivated your account or because of temporary problems with Snapchat servers. And here's how you can fix it. First, you need to check the reactivation period. You can only reactivate a deactivated Snapchat account within 30 days, and after 30 days, your account is permanently deleted. You can also try again later. The problem might be due to temporary issues with Snapchat servers, so wait for a few hours and try reactivating your account again. And you can also try a different device or network, so try using in with mobile data or a different phone. And update or reinstall the app. Make sure that you're using the latest version of the Snapchat app. And if you still can't reactivate your account, it's been less than 30 days since deactivation, you can contact the Snapchat support for help. So in short, C13A means reactivation failed. If it's been less than 30 days since deactivation, keep trying with a stable internet connection or contact the Snapchat support. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.